the Director for the Center of Appropriate Technology Development, Mr. Napoto Katonitamua, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Imbulavinaka, and very good morning to you all. On behalf of the Commissioner Central, Commissioner Eastern, Rokotui Tailevu, Director Fisheries, and officials, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Director and officials here in Nadave for receiving us this morning. I am deeply honored to represent government and the Ministry of Fisheries in handing over the fiberglass boat and the outboard engine. This item, ladies and gentlemen, were bought off from the Fisheries Development Fund, funded under the Foreign Fisheries Agency. I also wish to register government's appreciation to FFA for this assistance and assistance that have been given to Fiji over the years. Our relationship between Nadave and Fisheries goes a long way in our collective efforts to achieve the vision of enhancing and empowering rural communities to sustainably manage our God-given resources both in their daily sustenance and even for economic development. Ladies and gentlemen, the boat and engine that we'll be handing over today will be part of Nadave's educational package, enabling the students to learn and engage in subsistence fishing skills, specifically with the neighboring communities. Furthermore, this assistance will boost fisheries development activities in the neighboring communities and will open opportunities for further collaboration on enforcement activities along the coastal communities to deter illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing activities. Our ultimate goal is to ensure that sustainable management of our natural resources to cater both the current and the future generations. Empowering Fijians, young Fijians, is therefore a crucial component of the Ministry's support towards Nadave. I once again, on behalf of the government officials that accompanied me here today, thank the Director and the staff for CATD for the opportunity to contribute to the noble work of developing and shaping our youth and future leaders of our beloved nation. Vinaka Wakalevu, and may God bless us all.
Ando nang damaso. Amay karami sa kanat lang bimbi, di ba suli der na batakan din tayo.
Maka.